Go. Oh, okay. Hello. We'll keep that in. This is Ms. Walker class again. We're doing 6-4. We're going to be dividing polynomials, and I'm sitting in the background this time. Y'all should be happy about that. Woo-hoo. We have AJ in front, and she's going to explain how to do long division. Okay, AJ, we're dealing with this problem. Ready, go. What'd you say, sweetie? Okay, you can start here.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, we're doing synthetic division. We're not going to do this long. We're doing synthetic division. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Okay.
What's the first thing we're going to do to set this problem up?
You're going to bring down, if the number denominator is a negative, you change it to a positive. If it's a positive, change it to a negative, but in this case, it's negative, so you change it to a positive, and you put it in the backwards L.
Perfect. How did you get these?
You bring down the coefficients.
Okay, so 2, negative 5, 5, 3, 3, 7, 7. Okay, I got that. What's the next step?
And then you bring down the first leading coefficient,
Okay.
which is 2. So you bring that down.
Okay.
And then that's when you multiply 2 and 2.
Okay, so everything under this line, I'm going to be multiplying with this 2?
Yes.
Okay.
Which is 4.
Let me slide this up just to clean it up for you. Okay, so you said bring down this 2 and multiply it with this 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is 4. So you'll put the 4 right here.
All right.
And then you will add negative 5 plus 4, which is negative 1.
Okay, so before we go on, you're saying 2 times 2 gives me 4, and then what's up here, I'm going to add, and this is going to give me 1, and I'm going to put it here. Guys, I can
Negative
hear
1.
Negative 1. All right.
Then you do 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2. So in that case, you do 3 minus 2.
Okay, let me catch up with you for a minute. So, again, whatever's down here, I'm multiplying and putting it on this line.
Yeah.
And then whatever's here, I'm adding straight down. Okay, doing what the operation says. Okay, so I'm going to say 2 times negative 1 gives me
Negative 2.
negative 2. And then you said 3 minus 2.
Which is actually 3 plus negative 2.
Yeah, okay, got you. They got that. So
Okay.
3 minus 2 is 1.
1.
All right.
And 2 times 1 is 2.
All right, so 2 times 1 is 2. So I'm right here. All right, so that gives me
9.
right?
9.
Okay, why did you circle that?
Because that is the remainder.
Okay, so your last term is always going to be your remainder.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me look up here. All right, so I understand everything down here, you're multiplying it by that 2, and when you put it on this line here, you're adding straight down. All right? And the key I see is this. This is my strong point right here. I got to remember to bring down that leading coefficient.
Yeah.
And that's my starter point. Now, how did you get all this?
Well,
I guess I got to go back to the top so you can explain how you got the final answer. See this leading exponent?
When you're finished with the after you do the
Set it up in this form. Okay.
yeah.
I got to look at this leading exponent. Okay. It's x to the third. You see that, right? This is the part you said you get stuck on, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this x to the third. I know. I only have a couple of more minutes. I'm already over my 5 minutes. Gerald, that's what you're trying to tell me? Okay, I'm doing fine on time. We're 4 minutes. We're trying to cut this video to 5 minutes, guys. Okay, so see this x to the third? That's your regular problem, what you started off with. So to get your final answer, you have to make this one less than what your original problem was. So it was x to the third. Now you're going to make this x to the second. Okay, you're going to drop one exponent, and then you're going to do all the exponents in descending order from there. 2, 1, 0. So that's how we got x squared. Now, how did you set this up? You take your what?
Your leading coefficient.
Okay. And you put this down here, so you got the 2x squared. Then you have your
-1. Which is actually negative x. And you bring down the 1. And then you bring down the 9, but you put
the denominator.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You put the denominator under the 9.
Why did you put a plus here?
Because it's a positive 9.
Oh, okay. So if it's a negative 9, you're going to put a
negative sign.
Okay. Okay. Just making sure. So it's 9 over 2, x minus 2. And you got that x minus 2 just to make sure it's clear from here. Whatever this is, you want to put it over the remainder. Okay?
Yeah.
Put the remainder over the x minus 2 rather. Okay, how many minutes do we have? Are we good on time? Gerald, are we good on time?
Oh no, you had like 6 minutes.
Okay, just sign out. Tell them thank you.
You press
Gerald, tell them thank you,
You want me to
AJ.
tell them thank you?
Oh, thank you.
Okay.